you don't need help, Captain?
For the last time, Smee, I can get out of this all by myself. Whoa!
Oh, well done, Captain. You finally made a basket.
Blunder and bilge pumps. What is that stink? Oh, it's lunchtime. Monday it was seaweed soup. Tuesday roasted rocks. Wednesday rotten cantaloupe. Thursday pickled socks. Friday stink bug pudding, a triumph of cuisine. And slimy fish head porridge in a steaming hot tureen. Oh, what's that smell in the galley? You never can tell with me. You'll shudder and shake at the things he bakes. You'll fear his fricassee.
Cook us up some guitar bones!
Oh, what's that smell in the galley? You never can tell with me. You'll shudder and shake at the things he bakes. You'll fear his fricassee. Oh, what's that smell in the galley? One whiff will make you swoon. It's an oily, boily, sticky mess, so you better hide your spoon.